Disney World on Wheels, packing must-haves and forgotten essentials. Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're taking a magical trip to Disney World. But hold on, not everyone gets the same packing list for the happiest place on Earth. For our friends in wheelchairs and mobility scooters, Disney offers incredible accessibility. But there are a few things you might not think of that can make your trip even smoother than Mickey's dance moves. So let's play a game of Pack It or Forgot It. First up, what's a travel essential that might get left behind for Florida? Sunscreen, of course. Florida sunshine is no joke, folks. And don't underestimate the power of the shade. Bring an umbrella with you. But pack that SPF for those in-between moments. Alright, next challenge. Waterproof poncho or a good dose of misery on Splash Mountain? It's the Florida weather, and the random rainstorms, not Splash Mountain, people. You will get wet. Pack that poncho. Now here's where things get a little hot. Think you can handle the heat? You should bring a cooling towel and one of those neck fans. Florida all year round is sweaty business. Trust me, your future self will really thank you. Okay, one more. Seat pad or a bumpy ride for your, well, seat pad. Seat pads are a lifesaver. You wouldn't imagine how bumpy the terrain actually is at Disney. It's not all smooth sidewalk. The bumps in the terrain are a lot more than you would expect. Alright, mobility scooter friends, listen up. Disney has fantastic scooter rentals. And you can bring your own. But whether you bring your own or rent one, make sure to bring the charger. Those magical miles can drain your juice faster than you can say Mickey Mouse. Remember, Disney World is built for everyone. With a little planning and these packing essentials, you're ready to create unforgettable memories. So are you ready to conquer Disney World on wheels? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Dino with InforMobility.